Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here. So today I'm going to teach us how to make this delicious Banga Stew, popularly known as Ofe Akwu in Igbo. So if you want to see how I made this, keep watching. So this is the ingredient I'm using to make the Banga soup. I have my palm kernel fruit, then I have scent leaf, and then dry fish. I also have crayfish. I'm going to grate it. Then the onion, pepper, seasoning cube, and open. I don't know the English name for this. I just know it as open. Then I have the meat and then the onion. Sorry, salt. I meant to say salt. Make sure you wash your palm kernel fruit properly. Make sure you wash it properly. Add water, cover it, and allow it to boil. So while I'm waiting for the palm kernel fruit to boil, I'm going to wash my meat, season it, and then allow it to, parboil. You can use any season of your choice to season your meat. So after the palm fruit is soft, it should be soft and tender. Then I'm going to, sieve it from the water and pour it into the into a mortar, as you can see me doing. Pour it into a mortar, then and start pounding it. But take note that when pounding it, you don't pound it with force, to break the seed. No, you just pound it, not too gentle, not too hard. Just pound it, because what we actually need is just the juice from the back. So that's just what we need. So you keep pounding till it's like this, till it's like this. So after that, you go ahead and add in hot water. This like oil, so using cold water, it will not, bring out the juice very well. Just use hot water, it's preferable, but make sure that the hot water does not um you know burn your hand. So after adding the hot water, you try as much as possible to squeeze out to squeeze the palm kernel fruit properly. Squeeze it and then pour it into a sieve. Then when you look at the palm kernel fruit, you can see that I can still get some juice from this. So I'm going to pour it back into the mortar, add some hot water, squeeze it, and also repeat that step by pouring it back in the sieve. So after that, you go in and add the liquid into a pot, cover it and allow it to boil. So please bear with me, I lost some clip of this video, so I'll just go ahead and explain. After you cover it, you allow it to boil very, very well. When it's ready for you to put your ingredient is when you can actually see the oil part of the juice at the top of the pot. As you can see in this video, you can actually see that you can actually see the oil somehow separate from the other juice. So that's when it's time for you to add in your ingredients. So what you just do is you add in your ingredient. That's your chopped onion, pounded or grated pepper, obenyin, and the rest of it. So you cover it, allow it to boil. After about like 5 minutes, then you go in and add your chopped scent leaf. Just make sure you put all the ingredients and allow it to boil a little more for like 2 to 3 minutes, and your soup is ready. So that's just it. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do not forget to give me a thumbs up, like and share with your friends. Till I come your way next time with another interesting video, do have a lovely day. Bye bye.